Look at this. Andy has built a campfire, something I haven't built yet on my rides.
And the zipper doesn't work.
Is it out of fluid? I might have to give you matches.
Yeah, it seems like it's out.
All right. That dry pine straw was definitely the trick.
Yep.
It's blazing so much, it's probably gonna be out in 15 minutes.
Probably right.
It's going so good now.
Just gotta get a little bit more. Look at that fucker, dude. Damn.
Dude, that's awesome. All right, we rode 240 miles today. Made it here at about 6:30 tonight. Andy just got this sucker going. Yeah, buddy. Uli the Bully Adventures Campfire Edition.
Yeah, that one's going good.
Andy was on the DR650 today. I was on the CRF.
How much does it go for?
How much it go for? It's just absolutely beautiful here tonight at Fontana Dam. All right, Andy, I'm coming to inspect your
house?
your house over here. Yeah, buddy. You're zipped in, huh?
Yeah.
House of the Andy.
Yeah, geek.
All right, buddy.
All right, man.
Later.
Come wake me up whenever tomorrow.
Got it. How's it? All right, good morning, everybody. What day is it, Andy? It's a Monday, right? Yeah. For my buddy Andy up here for his first moto camping overnight trip. So kind of like the first adventures of friends that I did with this year. Remember I told you the reason why I bought that second bike was, last year when I was discovering everything, I was like, man, I got to show this to some buddies. So I bought that second bike as a loaner, get some friends up here. So this is Andy's first trip, and I think I pushed him a little bit too hard yesterday. I forgot that I'm kind of used to doing these distances now, and yesterday's ride was pretty much just under 240 miles. So kind of an iron butt situation for him. And so we made it to camp. We had a beautiful ride up through the mountain roads and everything, the winding passes, and here we are at Fontana Dam, just below the dam wall again. And it was a little chilly last night, but how did you enjoy that ride, buddy?
It's a tough ride, I can tell you that. 240 miles on a motorcycle.
How long has it been since you've ridden?
Well, 5 or 10 years probably, at
Wow.
least. At least, probably 10 plus.
I didn't even think about that. Yeah, so someone who hasn't ridden in 10 years, to throw them on a dual sport, which is, got
Full with gear.
full with gear, it's got its comfort levels as it is, and to put them through 240 miles. So, and like I said, it wasn't, that was all mountain passes. We were going up and down, beautiful. So when we got to camp, I was like, dude, I could tell you're exhausted. So, but how was it sleeping last night? I mean, how long has it been since you slept in a tent?
20 years, 20 plus years now, probably.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. He used to go with his father all the time. And then we just found out that it got to about, 38 last night.
Mm-hmm.
So we both brought exactly just the right amount of gear that it was perfect. It was one of those situations, if you move too much, you're like, you had to go back into your little cocoon.
Tell him how I thought you were crazy because you were sleeping with all your clothes on.
Yeah, so we get here and he's like, so what are you sleeping? I was like, dude, I pretty much exactly what I'm wearing. And he's like, really? You're not going to wear your skivvies? I was like, nah. I'm not going to sleep exactly what I'm wearing. I pretty much wear this stuff under my riding gear. I take my riding gear off and jump into the sleeping bag. This is what I've kind of learned along the road. And then, so he ended up having to do the same thing. So
I haven't slept with my hoodie on just to keep my head warm. It's crazy.
Yeah. So that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys a campsite and give Andy a shout out. We're gonna pack up because I pushed him. So I actually, the day that I had planned for him today would have been tougher than yesterday's, and I don't want to do that to him. Everybody that I bring up here, I want to make sure they have a really good time. So we're gonna take it easy today. I'm only gonna show him a couple of spots. I'll get a good video of that, and then we'll make our way back to Atlanta. And so make these more regular. Now that I've put him through 240 miles on a first day, he's definitely broken in, and we'll get out here for some more. That's about it, man. Cheers.
Cheers.